Well, your wish is my command. I've gutted it. No need for a key. Well, there was definitely a need for a key in this case. So there it is. And there's no security pins. They're all just normal pins, but they've got these little... I'm doing a video. Not talking to you. I've got these little pieces on top. I think they're for master keys or something. It's the only thing I've ever seen about it. But they're all different thicknesses, and that's a bit of a thicker one, you see. And same thing in the keyway, in the key pins here. Can you see? Yeah, there's some sitting on top of the pins there. The first two on the left. See? So no wonder I'm getting all these sets and flaming clicks and... yeah, but there's no spools in there. So... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what I'm up to now.